Okay. Hi everybody. Today we are going to set up a MyBrandGear site as quickly as possible. So this is an all-in-one video. We're not going to do a deep dive on anything in particular. We're just going to go through all of the bare minimum steps required to set your site up in about 10 minutes. So the aim of this is to hopefully just explain where some of the key sort of steps are that you need to follow, and also just show how easy it is to actually get up and running. So to start us off, if you're watching this video, you will have received your invite email to actually gain access to the system. So I've got one of those ready for me here. So we're going to work on a fictional business today called World of Hoodies Limited. And to start off, I'm just going to click set your password. And we're just going to pop that in there. And we'll have a suggested password. That's great. Great. And now, just like that, we're in. And when you log in for the first time, you're going to see the setup checklist. So the idea is this is going to make it as easy as possible to go through the necessary steps to get the site set up. When you're moving around the system, you'll always have this link here. So if you do explore other pages, you can always come back and just see what's next. So we're going to start just one by one. So upload your logo. So I'm going to click open step. And you can see we've got the default logo on the system. And I'm just going to click choose file. And I've actually got a logo ready to go. So there we go, World of Hoodies, really good. And if we actually just click view my shop, you'll see that's in there already, ready to go. Now, let's just go back, and we're going to go back to the setup checklist now. We've got populate homepage is the next step, so I'm going to click that. And you see I've landed in this page manager here, and straight away we can see this text that says welcome to My Company Name Limited. So I'm not going to go too far on this, but I am just going to change this to say World of Hoodies, and I'm going to underline that. And I don't really want this text here, so I'm going to get rid of that, and I'm going to change this to say check out our amazing surf hoodies. There we go. And when you've finished editing, just always scroll back to the top, and we'll click save. And now again, if we want to, we can check our progress. We've still got the site open here. We can just refresh that, and you see that text now just says welcome to World of Hoodies. It's as easy as that. So let's go back, and we're going to go back to the setup checklist, and you see homepage is now complete. So we're going to upload a banner. Now, we're here on the home page, and we're talking about this. It says top full width, so we're talking about this big banner here. And you can see, again, we've got an image here that's got a sort of a space for a logo. Right, so we've landed here. We're back in the page manager. We're going to click the edit button, and you see we can see there are two versions of this banner, and there's one for mobile and one for desktop. I'm not interested in one for mobile, so I'm going to hit the bin icon. And then for the desktop one, I'm going to click browse. And now I need to upload my banner. So I've got one ready. So I'm going to select that, upload it, select it, and save it. And now I'm going to go back to my website, and I'm going to refresh that. And you can see now I've just put my logo in there. You can upload anything you like. This is just the sort of theme that I'm following. So I'm now going to go back to the checklist, and you see our banner's done. Next up, enter footer info. So this is talking about this information here. So I'm going to go open step, and I'm going to say World of Hoodies. I'm not going to change this. You can put whatever you like in here. You can put links to Facebook, social media, that sort of thing, whatever you like. I am also going to change my logo, so you can see we've got a repeat of the logo in the footer. So we're just going to click browse and we're going to upload our World of Hoodies logo. And then we're going to click save. And if we just go back to our site again, you see the text has changed and the logo's there. So it's coming together quite nicely. So back to the checklist. We've just got one more to do, and that is the About Us page. So if we go back to our site, at the top of the screen there's a link here that says About Us. And this at the moment is just a page that's got some temporary text in that we need to fill out. So back here I'm going to click Open Step on the About Us page, and for now I'm just going to get rid of all of that, and I'm just going to put World of Hoodies is a great world with hoodies. There we go. And I'm going to hit save again. And if we just hit refresh, you see, there we go, we're good to go. So those are your bare minimums, logos and getting a little bit of information about the company. So once you've done your logo and your other getting started steps, what you might want to do is just set some colours to make the brand feel a little bit more like your business. And to do that, you just come to the colours and logo section here. And you'll see we've got a big group of colours that you can work on. So I've actually just gone through a few of these and just set them to the pink from the edge of the logo. You can set these to whatever you like. And what we might do is we might just say, let's have for our main navigation bar, this bar here, I think we might just go for the orange from the logo. So to do that, you see I'm here on the main menu bar background, and I'm going to click that, and I think it's sort of something a bit like that, and that will do just fine. And you see now that's updated just like that. If you want to, you can actually use this little picker here. So if you click that, that lets you pull a colour out of your logo or elsewhere. So we can actually get the exact pink from the logo, which is quite good for complicated colours. The more time you put into this, the better. It will look really good. The main ones you want to worry about though are just really the bright colours.